Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing and certification services. Rubber components in furniture are critical for durability, flexibility, and user comfort. That's why accurate testing is essential. At CDG Inspection, we bring years of expertise to ISO 23529-2021 mechanical testing, ensuring every rubber component meets global standards. Our tests simulate real-world conditions to evaluate the mechanical properties of rubber, ensuring superior performance. ISO 23529-2021 sets the benchmark for evaluating mechanical properties of rubber, ensuring product longevity and safety. From office chairs to sofas and ergonomic furniture, we provide testing for a wide range of rubber components. With advanced equipment and techniques, we ensure precise and accurate results for every test. We assess how rubber components perform under stress, wear, and environmental conditions. At CDG Inspection, we prioritize transparency and collaboration, providing clear, actionable insights. Our testing services cater to industries such as corporate, residential, and commercial furniture manufacturing. We support sustainable practices by testing rubber components made from recycled and eco-friendly materials. Our detailed reports ensure you meet compliance requirements and provide valuable insights for improvement. With a global network of laboratories, we're ready to serve you wherever you are. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, redefining standards, delivering excellence.